Welcome back. Before we build some more programs, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about sorting, because we're going to be using sorting in some of our other programs, and sorting is crucial for basically everything that happens on the internet. So I want to talk to you about why that is and what happens. So first off, imagine that you had some data that you wanted from some computer somewhere on the internet to you, like you wanted to watch a TikTok video or you wanted to watch a YouTube video. The information in that video needs to get to you. So here's the information. Imagine this is a movie. It's not a movie, it's just a picture of my two kids. This is Zoe, and that's Max. Anyway, so we want to get this information to you. Now, the way the internet works is it doesn't just send you one huge file. Because the internet, think of the internet as a billion different pipelines all over the world, and they all lead to your computer. So the way it works is that if there's one computer over here, and your computer is all the way over here, it takes whatever data needs to be sent from here to here, and it breaks it into infinitesimally small pieces and then ships it to your computer along whatever pipeline is available at that billionth of a second. So the first thing it does with data is it breaks the data into very, very small pieces. So in this case, what I've done is I've broken the picture into like 2,000 pieces, something like that. And then it labels each piece with a number. So let's zero in on Zoe's face here, and let's say this piece is 870, 871, 872, 873, and so forth. Each piece of the picture has a different value associated with it. But instead of it being 2,000 pieces, it might be 2 million pieces or 200 million pieces. A lot of pieces for a movie or something like that. Then what happens is the computer basically receives all the little packets of information, but it doesn't receive them in the correct order because they're all going through different parts of the pipeline. So when the computer receives the information, it might first get piece 107, then piece 1347, then 36, 561, 1003, and so forth. So all these pieces are delivered to your computer, and then your computer has to sort them and put them back into order to rebuild the picture. Now, you may say to yourself, okay, what's the big deal? Sorting isn't really a big deal, but there are many, many different sort algorithms, and sorting algorithms can be very, very slow or it can be fast. And since the entire backbone of the internet relies on these little packets of information being sent to your computer, and then your computer needing to rebuild them every time a new piece of information is sent to it, sorting is crucial for how the entire internet works. And there are several different sort algorithms. The simplest sort algorithm and the easiest to write is something called bubble sort. It's not very efficient, particularly as the numbers get big. So if you had to sort 50 items, bubble sort is fine. It's fast enough. But if you had to sort 100 million items, bubble sort is really, really slow. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you some sorting algorithms and how they work, and then we're going to compare and contrast a couple of sorting algorithms. And remember, they're super, super important, and everything you use on the internet is relying on these sort algorithms being fast and efficient.